A spherical ball 3 centimeter in radius is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. The radius of 2 of these is 1.5 and 2 centimeter respectively. The radius of the third ball is, it means this is a big sphere of 3 centimeter radius. It is melted and bought into converted to 3 balls of 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and r centimeter radius. We have to find out r. Remember, the volume is same. This metal is converted, so this metal remains the same. So volume of this will be equal to the total of these three. So now it's easy. Volume of large ball equals to sum of volume of the three small balls. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube equals to 4 upon 3 into pi into, now r cube is over 3 over here, 1.5 cube plus 2 cube plus r cube. So 4 pi upon 3 gets cancelled. 3 cube, now we can solve this. This is 27, then this is 1.5 cube, 3.375. This you have to do it personally. 2 cube is 8. Solve this. R cube you get 15.625. Now you have to find out r. Now the cube root of 15.625 is, see, there is 25 in the end of this number. So this number will be divisible by 25. So divide 15.625 by 25. You get 625 is the answer. Now you know 625 is the square of 25. So 25 into 25 into 25 is 15.625. Now this point, 3 points and you have cube root. So point after 1. So 25 it becomes 2.5. That is the required answer. Understand the problem.